Hello, Professor Beaver. This is Salvador doing the screencast for this week on WebTurtle, showcasing branching and looping. I actually have no experience programming, so this is one of my first times doing something like this. So just wrote a little program here to illustrate the skills we're supposed to learn, and I'm actually pretty interested in this, and I'm going to definitely look into it more. But yeah, basically we have WebTurtle here. It's an IDE. We put our inputs in here in this box over here, or we put our code in here, and it can read inputs down here. So I'm gonna showcase both the skills in the same video, both branching and looping. I wrote this little. Basically, it's a program where you enter in a number of sides, and it would draw you a shape, an equilateral shape. Now, I'm sure there's going to be more to this to get this to go correctly, but this is what I have so far. So, just at the beginning, if caret right here, that means this is how you do the inputs. This caret corresponds to the inputs down here, and you can put input 1, input 2, input 3. But if you just put the caret by itself, I found out that just translates to it being input 1. So just the caret by itself reads input 1 if caret equals 4. And we're going to do this in red. We're going to make a loop. Repeat 4. This tells the loop to repeat 4 times. Draw 100. This is going to be a line that's 100 pixels long. Write 90. That means that you're going to draw a line that's 100 pixels long. Then you're going to turn 90 degrees. Do it again. Turn 90 degrees. Do it again. Basically repeat 4 times in a loop. Next. Else. And if. And then for the next one, if caret equals 3. And just for some variation, let's do this one in blue. I found out how to draw a triangle. And there's going to be an equilateral triangle, I believe. 100. Right. 120. Next. Else. And if. So, get nothing. We enter the number 4. Get a red square. Enter the number 3. Get a blue triangle. And there we go. Basically, you've got the we've got our inputs. This is what happens if there's nothing in there. Nothing happens. And yeah, there you go. There's the program, and we could make this code to involve different shapes and draw all kinds of figures. Like maybe you want to see what a figure with 300's equilateral sides looks like. But yeah, thank you.